After that, you get a chocolate egg. So crack it open and get a cup to put it in. Then open the toy, and we have Michael Pazowski. And then he's also a little tag that shows you the monsters.
Oh yeah. What have you got, Ali?
Yay! Go Michael Pazowski.
Go and open it. What have you got in there? You have to open
She
it?
can't open it.
There you go. Oh, it's in pieces.
No, it isn't.
Oh, look! It's our third monkey! So, we got this chimpanzee guy. This is our third one. Kinder surprise, you need to have more surprises other than monkeys.
But thanks for Michael Pazowski. Woo! So today we open two
And there's my 3 monkeys right there.
prizes.
Yeah.
So today we opened 2 Kinder Surprise. I opened a Monsters University and she opened a proper Kinder Surprise.
Bye.
I got bye.
Say bye, Ali.